So earlier we talked about type 1 and type 2 errors. So here I have this table which tells the difference between these two things, type 1 and type 2 error. I don't want to confuse you with so many things. At this level, let's understand one thing, that type 1 error is equivalent to false fire alarm in the building, which leads to inconvenience, and type 2 error is that there is fire but you missed that, which led to the building burning down. That's type 2 error. In simple terms, type 1 error is when innocent is declared as guilty by the court. That's type 1 error. Type 2 error is that guilty is declared as innocent. That's all probably you need to understand. So with this, we have completed a very high level overview, a very quick overview of hypothesis testing. We talked about the steps which are required for hypothesis testing. We talked about null and alternate hypothesis. We quickly looked at the p-value, and we briefly talked about types of error, type 1 and type 2 error as well. This was a very quick introduction, but more details you will learn as you go further into green belt and black belt.